Alright, that's recording. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I am testing now the equipment, the device. Basically it's something like my a telephone holder. Sorry. Certainly something more complex than that. It's this is just like a part of the equipment, the device that I'm using now, just part of it. And I don't know what to do now. I don't know. I'm probably going to Quebec to see the I don't know, maybe it's a good idea to go to Quebec to see the building and stuff. I guess it's not a bad idea. My car doesn't have that winter tire though. And as I said, you know, this is testing. I'm going through the highway now, north. I believe this is okay. Panoramic view, eh? Yeah. What time is it now? Well, I have to double check. I got another telephone over here. Nobody's coming behind. I don't touch my wheel. 3:20 right now. 3:20. And I had to activate somewhere the connection with the internet. Yeah. It seems like okay, the weather, and certainly my I'll put a light on. Right now I'm on the road to Quebec City, basically. Road condition is okay, it's dry. I'm not sure if they're going to Quebec though. Still a good 50 kilometers away. So going back is 100 kilometers. And I think if I want to go to Quebec, for example, I need to leave early. This is what I need to do, you know. This is what I need to do. Anyways, this is the first time I actually plug it up in my device. A new device is coming yesterday. And lady over there in front of me seems like she putting me, sign on me that to go ahead, but I don't want to. First of all, because my way of driving is like 100 kilometers per hour is okay for me. Right now it's 100 kilometers per hour. It's not too bad. No, I believe this road condition is tough when it's snowing. I saw many videos on YouTube and stuff and social media about people actually get trapped in the snow condition situation and has nasty accidents, multiple accidents in one spot, for example. And I believe that happened because people doesn't see anything. Just don't see anything. Like when the snow heavily snow, it's like the perspective, you lose the perspective, and then you actually try to do whatever you can, the best you can for avoid the accident, but it happened anyways. And then when you actually avoid the accident and stuff, the car is in dangerous because somebody else coming behind you, and you never know in what condition that car is coming, what speed is coming. So I'm glad that I received my 4 products from Amazon. This is something, as I said, this is for a tablet and a telephone holder, but at the same time, as something like a metal device or extension, kind of like in order to, you put your telephone or tablet just beside you, Then I received, yes, I got in my car actually. I haven't opened yet the box. I received a teleprompter. That was about $150 Canadian. $150 Canadian is about $100 US. This teleprompter is from American company. I don't remember Mammon or something like that. I mean, there's a teleprompter. You put the teleprompter on the camera, and you activate the camera, and then you activate the whole thing, and then actually you can read the script, and you look at the camera. Basically, is the purpose of teleprompter. You look straight to the camera, and you're recording a video. For example, for newscasts, is ideal. So anyways, I'm going to check it out later on, the result of this recording. I wasn't able to put my telephone in vertical position, so that's the reason I actually recording like this, but that's okay. Still good for my YouTube channel. This is look like pretty much medium-sized highway and a small-sized highway. I mean, it is a highway, but it's still, still like there is a more busy highway or whatever. It's different shape. Somewhere in the province and in the big cities and stuff. A complex situation because sometimes you can lose yourself, even with the best GPS device or whatever it is. as I said, I don't know if when I go to straight to Quebec, just like this, by this time, probably I'm going to turn around and Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon, not too bad away. 2 kilometers is the exit to Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon, so I could actually come back from the small road, kind of like, yeah, this is the highway, and there is another way to return, to come back to where I was in my place, Yeah. So it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Here is, you can say 4 o'clock in the evening. Now this is the entrance over here for Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon. I'm going to enter here. I guess to test my device, my camera, whatever is, it's okay. Yeah? Was the first snow in this weekend in this part of Canada. Today is Sunday, the 1st, December 1st, I believe. Tomorrow I'm going to the office of the Ashland because I want to talk to the administrator about something happening this weekend. Right now we are in Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon. So what to do over here? Not too sure where to go. I guess I could go the other side. Yeah, on the left. So I guess it's okay. Over here, it's okay. It's the double road or what? Not too sure. No. Coming to a single cross from the right and a single cross to the other side. Yeah. I'm here in Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon right now. I don't know what to do over here. I could fill up my gas tank. This is I could do. So I will enter over here and just check out my video. That's the reason I actually came out. This building is brand new. And it seems like people are actually living over there already. Nice building though. Down there is something to what you can to rent. Yeah. Still a building. There's still there is some unit to rent. As I said, it's quite interesting building. It's not too far from Quebec. Actually, Saint-Lambert-de-Lauzon is not too bad in terms of location. Location-wise, it's not too bad. Now, I want to stop somewhere. I'm going to stop over here. Over here. Respectively, I'm going to stop over here beside this car. Just like that. Alright. Now, I'm going to check out my video. This is what I'm coming from. To check my video. Okay. the windows up and then down because it smells like a. All right, let me see. All right. I kind of like want to see how you can actually turn this. So this, I think over here. What is that? No. Oh, this is for light. More. I don't like that. More contrast, I believe. So, anyways, apparently I cannot to the other side.